Hello girls. If you want to use Oopbuy point, how can you use? So you can earn a lot of point in Oopbuy by playing games, by sharing content. But how can you use? So I will explain clearly today how can you use your point on Oopbuy. So actually Oopbuy points are really essential because you can change them into minis when you make a purchase from Oopbuy because they can insert as a discount to your order. So whenever you're trying to make a purchase and your point will be able to use as a mini. So let's do something. So trying to choose one thing that you want to buy first. So trying to choose one accessory here. And if you want to buy this one, just click to add and you can choose your size, whatever. And go back again to your card here. And if you want to buy this one, just click to submit. So select your item and just submit. Okay, so this is your order, you can see, right? So scroll down until you see the coupon. So in your coupon section, you will be able to add your available coupon as well. So if you already have point, your point will be also visible on your coupon section because if you want to use your if you already have point, your point will be appear here, and if you want to claim point, just click to claim your point. And after claiming your point, your discount will be inserted here. So under your subtotal, you will be able to see how much coin you use and how much discount that you get. So first thing you need to do is go ahead to your order and try to make a purchase. So when you try to make a purchase in your coupon section, you need to claim your point. So if you have a larger point, you can determine by yourself how much coin you want to use. So that's how to use Oopbuy coin, guys. I hope this will help you a lot if you're the one who loves to use points when you made a purchase. Sure, it can also reduce your price, right? So that's how to use, guys. Thank you so much and see you, bud.